Hello. In a previous tip, I show you how to improve your Bharadvājāsana on a chair using a belt. Now I'm going to show you how to use this idea in sitting Bharadvājāsana. You need something to sit on. I'm using a block, but you can use a folded blanket or a bolster, and as a block for the back hand. And you start from Dandasana and bend your legs to the left side if you want to turn to the right. And now you have to align your pelvis. So you take some support for your right buttock and also pull the flesh of the buttock to the right to expose the buttock bone and try to sit on the inner part of the bone. Also see that this left leg is a Virasana leg, that you are pressing the outer foot and the little toe down. So the knee is more in Virasana. So this is the initial posture that you start from, and then you turn to the right and use the right hand on the block. Now, how to use the belt? So you take a small loop and you put it on the right shoulder because we're going to the right side. So put it well on your right shoulder. Take it behind your back, and then you come close to your right knee. So you lean forward and you put the belt just under the knee, pressing strongly with the knee, and catch it with your left hand. You sit up. So the belt helps to move the left kidney in, and it helps you to deepen your twist. Then you can come forward and catch with your right hand the belt here. This will prepare the shoulder for the final pose. Now here you don't need the block at the back because you are holding the belt. And you see how much the shoulder, right shoulder, is going back. And from this, after this preparation, you can do the final pose. Catch just above your elbow, insert the left hand, and straighten the left arm to twist. Try to align the pelvis to roll from right to left. Roll the thighs from right to left. And left knee should be heavy, so it will not slide forward. Move it back. And come back.